Hello, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Tips Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. So today's recipe is everyone's favorite and one of my most favorite too, Pani Puri. I'm not going to tell you the detailed recipe because everyone's know how to make it. And please don't ask me how to make puri. I don't make it at home. I always buy from someone else. So one of my friend told me that I speak so fast here. I appreciate her thought and sorry about that. I try my best to do here. And please guys, if you like to give me some feedback, please feel free to do that. I really appreciate. Now let's talk about this recipe ingredient. So Pani Puri recipe, you will find so many methods on YouTube channel, but this is my basic method. So for that you will need Pani Puri Puri, which is a store bought, and for masala, boiled potato, boiled brown chana, salt to taste, coriander, red chili powder, Pani Puri masala powder and garam masala. That's it. And for pani, you will need fresh coriander, fresh mint, salt to taste, lemon juice, black salt, and Pani Puri masala and cold water. That's it. Hope you like it, and the detailed recipe on my caption, you can go there to check out, right? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Anya.